Earning notable interest on your savings isn't easy. Bank account and bonds provide minimal interest rates. Stocks are now more volatile than ever. Income Marketplace is a safer and easier way to earn substantial interest with cash flow providing assets like consumer loans. P2P lending allows you to invest into people across the world. These loans are for personal expenditure, small businesses, car purchases, and others. For that, you will earn interest from the borrower. The way it works is easy. A so-called loan originator issues a loan to a borrower. Then, you buy off the loan from the loan originator. In return, you get interest on your investment. You may ask, what if the borrower cannot repay his loan? Imagine you wouldn't have to worry about that. Every loan you invest in comes with a buyback guarantee. The company issuing the loan guarantees to pay interest and principal of your investment if the borrower doesn't repay in 60 days. How do I know the loan originator will honor his buyback guarantee? Imagine you wouldn't have to worry about this either. Here, Income Marketplace revolutionized peer-to-peer lending. Income Marketplace will control and distribute the cash flow between borrower, loan originator, and investor, encouraging a large enough cash flow buffer to safely repay all non-performing loans if the LO cannot fulfill its obligations. You can easily sort for the safest loans and loan originators on Income Marketplace. This will allow you to invest into the risk-reward portfolio you are comfortable with. It really is that easy. Go to getincome.com, deposit your money, choose your risk profile, and earn substantial interest on your savings.